Hey everyone, let me ask you something. Have you ever submitted your medical device to India, and then just waited, and got stuck? Or worse, you received a query from the Central Drugs Standard Control Organization, CDSCO, your file got delayed for months or your application got rejected. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Because here's the truth, most CDSCO rejections don't happen because your device is bad. They happen because of avoidable mistakes. And today, we're going to break those down. This is not a theory video. This is real problems, real mistakes, real fixes. We'll cover step-by-step CDSCO process timeline, cost, very important, documents required, common mistakes, with real examples, and how to fix each one. Let's get into it. Part 1, the real problem. Let's start with the biggest pain point. Most companies think CDSCO is easy compared to US or EU. But reality? Incomplete submissions, constant queries, long delays. Why? Because requirements are evolving, documentation must be precise, portal submission must be accurate. Key insight: CDSCO doesn't reject randomly, it rejects incomplete thinking. Part 2, step-by-step process. Let's break the process, because mistakes happen at every stage. Step 1, device classification. Class A, Class B, Class C, Class D. Problem: wrong classification. Fix: use risk-based classification rules, take expert validation. Step 2, appoint authorized Indian agent. Mandatory for foreign manufacturers. Problem: choosing inexperienced agent. Fix: choose regulatory experienced partner. Step 3, prepare documentation. Device master file, DMF, plant master file, PMF. Problem: copy-paste documentation, missing sections. Fix: customize per device, align with CDSCO format. Step 4, submit via SUGAM portal. Problem: upload errors, wrong format. Fix: follow portal checklist, validate before submission. Step 5, query handling. CDSCO may raise queries. Problem: delayed response, incomplete answers. Fix: respond within timeline, provide clear, structured answers. Step 6, approval. License issued. Problem: post-approval compliance ignored. Fix: maintain ongoing compliance. Part 3, timeline. Let's talk reality. CDSCO timeline. Class A, B right pointing arrow 2 to 4 months. Class C, D right pointing arrow 6 to 9 months. But with mistakes? Add 3 to 6 months delay, multiple queries, extend timeline. Real world example, company submits incomplete DMF, receives 3 query rounds, approval delayed by 6 months. Key insight: time lost equals money lost. Part 4, cost breakdown. Very important section, let's talk about the cost. Government fees. Class A right pointing arrow tilde $50 to $200. Class B right pointing arrow tilde $500 to $1,000. Class C, D right pointing arrow $1,000 to $3,000 plus. Additional costs: Indian agent right pointing arrow $2,000 minus $10 K per year, documentation right pointing arrow $2,000, $15,000, testing right pointing arrow $5,000, $50,000. Total cost: typically $5,000 to $40,000 plus. Now imagine, rework due to mistakes costs double. Key insight: fixing mistakes is always more expensive than doing it right once. Part 5, documents required. Key documents: device master file, DMF, plant master file, PMF, ISO 13485 certificate, free sale certificate, labeling, clinical evidence. Problem: missing or inconsistent documents. Fix: maintain document consistency, cross-check all data. Part 6, common mistakes, core section. Now the most important part. Mistake 1, wrong classification. Example: device classified as Class B instead of Class C. Result: application rejected, resubmission required. Mistake 2, weak DMF. Example: missing risk analysis. Result: query raised, delay. Mistake 3, poor PMF. Example: incomplete manufacturing details. Result: compliance issue. Mistake 4, labeling errors. Example: missing importer details. Result: query or rejection. Mistake 5, ignoring Indian requirements. Example: using EU format without adaptation. Result: non-compliance. Mistake 6, delayed query response. CDSCO timelines matter. Example: late response, right pointing arrow, file put on hold. Mistake 7, no regulatory strategy. Example: submitting without planning pathway. Result: multiple corrections. Mistake 8, poor agent selection. Example: agent lacks experience. Result: miscommunication, delays. Mistake 9, inconsistent data. Example, different info in DMFVS labeling. Result, query raised. Mistake 10, underestimating documentation quality. We'll fix later, mindset. Result, rejection or delays. Part 7, fix strategy. Let's simplify everything. How to avoid all this. Plan your regulatory pathway, get classification right, build strong documentation, choose experienced agent, respond quickly to queries. One line, CDSCO success equals preparation plus precision. If you're planning CDSCO registration, don't go through trial and error. Because mistakes cost time, mistakes cost money, mistakes delay your launch. Why choose OMC Medical? CDSCO experts, end-to-end support, documentation plus strategy, faster approvals, query handling support. Whether you're starting fresh or fixing a rejected application, talk to OMC Medical experts today. If this video helped you understand CDSCO mistakes and fixes, follow OMC Medical for more regulatory insights. And we'll see you in the next video.